Program interface or platform. The program is a platform that displays and controls the results of all technical analyses and numeric readings. It covers all stocks and the general index selected on the sign-in screen. It applies the selected index from the sign-in screen. When entering the platform, the main data section appears. It contains most of the analysis results needed by the trader for the next trading day. These are the key results for tomorrow. The other 4 sections, which contain more detailed results, are hidden. They appear when clicking. Click the button for each section. 1 button per section. At the beginning, colors play an important role. They present the data in an easy-to-understand way at first glance. As follows. Always, red and brown indicate risky conditions, sell signals, and declines. They indicate negativity. Across the program. In almost all parts of the program. Green and olive indicate safer conditions, buy signals, and likely rises. They indicate positivity across almost all parts of the program. Blue, black, and gray indicate confusing or ignored states. Across almost all parts of the program. Except for company names and the general index. The darkness of the color indicates the strength of the state. Darker means stronger. Always, general index data are in the first row. This row is not present in the currency version. Tooltips appear on all column headers. They explain each column. These tooltips explain the information of that column. Helper buttons and icons are as follows. Icon show program current version. Program name or market name field. Search field. Search by company or currency pair, by name or by symbol. Reload and reinitialize button. Reload and reformat the data after sorting. And filtering, without exiting and entering again. Show user window button. It shows the user's email address and the remaining trial and subscription days. And it allows changing the user password. A set of buttons. To control filtering and sorting of data rows. It consists of 5 buttons. Various filters button, to show the various filters window. Filtering can be applied to the displayed set, or to all companies. From 4 lists. Carefully selected to facilitate filtering. They are very useful. And save effort and time. Special ranking button, to show the special ranking window. It provides wide and useful options to sort companies. Descending or ascending, from all program data. Numeric compare button, to show the numeric compare window. It enables comparisons between comparable numeric values across all parts of the program. Strategies button, to show the strategies window. Filtering is applied to the strategies met among the displayed companies, or applied to all, from the list of positive or negative strategies. They are prepared with great care and are effective in filtering companies or currency pairs to reach the desired results. From the program data. Favorites button, to show the favorites window. It shows lists of companies or currency pairs. Positive and more qualified to rise, or negative and more qualified to decline, as determined by the results, which have met certain technical conditions that qualify them more to rise or to decline, compared to the rest. More than the rest of the companies or currency pairs. There are also filter and sort buttons at the headers of some columns. These buttons allow opening a dedicated window for each column. To apply filtering to that column only, for filterable columns. On the data columns that can be filtered, a small button has been added below each window to perform a numeric filter for this column. For more details about these buttons, watch the video detailing the filtering and sorting control details. The second group of control buttons. Buttons to show or hide the program sections. The first button is Buy Sell Zones Details Daily. Daily Close Details. The second button is Indicators Analysis Results by Periods. It shows or hides the Technical Indicators Analysis Results section, and the buy and sell zones after the close of each timeframe. Zones Details button, to show or hide the Zones Details section after the latest close of each timeframe. Indicators Data button, to show or hide the data of the technical indicators. The Indicators Data section. When clicking any of these buttons, the button color changes to indicate that the section has been shown. Program sections. Main data section. This section is always shown from the first entry to the program. It contains everything needed for the next trading day. Companies or currency pairs appear ranked by their preference ranking, with their expected conditions for the next day, inferred in a professional, quantitative way by the program, including the overall technical analysis results for the daily, weekly, and monthly timeframes, with expected prices, as well as targets. It shows the technical indicators analysis results. The Tomorrow's Story indicator and the Candle Close indicator for the daily, weekly, and monthly timeframes. It includes the overall status of buy and sell zones, and the status of the latest zone for the daily, weekly, and monthly timeframes after the latest daily close. The second section is the Buy-Sell Zones Details Daily section. It shows the details of buy and sell zones after the latest daily close. These details include a general description, boundaries, and range of the zones. For the daily timeframe, and for the weekly and the monthly timeframes after the latest daily close. It also includes the total number of buy and sell zones. For the daily, weekly, and monthly timeframes after the latest daily close. For the last 200 periods. This section appears and disappears. After clicking the Buy-Sell Zones Details Today button. Buy and sell today. The third section is the section Indicators Analysis Results by Periods and Buy and Sell Zones after the latest close. It appears when clicking the Indicators Analysis Results by Periods button. It shows Indicators Analysis Results, the Tomorrow's Story Indicator, and the Candle Close Indicator for the daily timeframe, and for the weekly and monthly timeframes after the close of each timeframe. The daily timeframe after the daily close. The weekly timeframe after the latest weekly close. And the monthly timeframe after the latest monthly close. It also shows the states of the buy and sell zones. And the status of the latest buy and sell zone after the close of each timeframe. This section appears and disappears. After clicking the Indicators Analysis Results by Periods button. The fourth section. The Zones Details Week-Month section. It shows specific details of buy and sell zones, general description, boundaries, and range of the current zones. For the weekly timeframe after the latest weekly close. And for the monthly timeframe after the latest monthly close. It shows the monthly close and the weekly close. It also includes the total number of buy and sell zones. For the daily timeframe after the latest daily close, for the weekly timeframe after the latest weekly close, and for the monthly timeframe after the latest monthly close. This section appears or disappears. After clicking the Zones Details Week-Month button. The last button is the Indicators Data button. When clicking it, the Indicators Data section appears. It shows all values, trends, states, buy percentages, and sell percentages for all indicators in the program. There are more than 40 diverse technical indicators. For all companies or currency pairs. And for the general index, for the daily timeframe only. This section appears or disappears. After clicking the Indicators Data button. For more details. About the program sections. Watch the video of the program sections details.